Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You have money? You think, say, if you have money, you can build a solid future for yourself? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now. Drop one comment below and share this video with everybody who you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. So you will not miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me go read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 6, from verse 17 to verse 21. One, the rich people them say they no fit go on like them better than anybody else, just true they have money. They no fit put them trust in a money neither, cause money come and money go. What them fit do, I put them trust in a God, cause him we give we all what we need to live happy. Tell them fi do enough good sitting, adapt them fi rich with, and tell them say they must give to other people and share what they have. If them do this, them will build one solid future for themselves and we get the life where God promise. So Timothy, guard this in them where God give you for take care of. Make sure you keep them safe. Stay far from talk when I have nothing to do with God. Now listen to the foolishness where some people talk through them think them wise. Them want to call where them must say knowledge. But I know knowledge that. And that same knowledge there we cause enough of them to believe in our God teach. Me pray, say God, we show no love, even though we not deserve it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.